Before the noise, before the speed, there is precision, preparation, and people chasing something just out of reach. In a rapidly evolving digital world, innovation is no longer confined to labs. It's here, on open fields, in the hands of creators, engineers, and dreamers.
Of course, the unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones as we call them, are important for disaster preparedness, mitigation, management, and even recovery. And we commend the efforts of the Met Office for putting on this competition. Certainly, we have had some discussions about how we can get more young people involved into this very, very interesting activity. And I really hope that we can get a camp where we can teach more young people in Barbados about not only the aerial vehicles, but the sea surface vehicles that and some of the programs that the Met Office is doing to teach younger people about climate adaptability, resilience, and management in disaster. A lot of the work that is important, because collectively as a society, as we get ready for the upcoming Atlantic hurricane season, the more people we can get sensitized with disaster management and preparedness and using technology to do so, the better it is for our country to be able to mitigate and manage any weather and climate events that we have.
During one of our brainstorming sessions, we came up with the idea, hey, since Met Service is having so much involvement and investment in actual drones, both air and sea, why can't we not start to look locally in terms of exploiting that talent that's here in Barbados and support that talent? I mean, I've said it many times. I mean, it's in our motto, pride in the industry, and we need to start helping those who are here locally with that talent to get exposure, to get recognition, and help them to develop and design something.
At speeds that test reflexes and stakes that test nerves, every second matters.
I'm gauging innovation. I'm gauging you understanding the use of technology. I'm gauging that you're not only using proprietary parts, you're actually thinking outside the box. Yes, you have 3D printers. So you see, if you're using 3D printer to come up with your own schematic, and then you're taking that schematic or blueprint and trying to test it to put it into real world scenarios. I'm happy. There's always room for improvement. But from the VTOLs, which is vertical takeoff and landing, to the quadcopters, I'm seeing people are thinking. And that's what we want. We want thinking, we want innovation. You also want optimization. Coming into the endurance test last week, I got pretty decent flight times. So I was confident because that was the only part of the competition that I was scared about. I was thinking that some of the other guys would have had much longer flight time than myself. Never give up. There's always a way. There's always a way. Like last week, my drone wasn't working last week, Friday before the competition, but I didn't give up and I just pushed through. It's just a matter of knowing what you want to do and following that direction.
Above the noise, beyond the race, this is more than competition. It's a glimpse of what's next.